Let's have a look at our online trading platform AB Trade. Enter the valid credentials and click on Login. This is your post-login default screen. You can find a bunch of options here. Let's understand few options briefly. To add funds, click on Funds tab from the menu bar, then click on Add Money. Check your account details, enter the amount you wish to transfer and click on Transfer Funds. You will then be redirected to your bank's net banking website. You can also transfer funds via UPI or through NEFT. Click on Watch List from the menu bar to get access to all your watch lists. You can create, add, delete or view your watch lists from this menu. Here you can also view your predefined watch list from the drop-down menu. To add a new watch list, click on the orange button. Name your watch list and click Save. By default, Nifty B script would be added to your watch list. You can now type the script you wish to add and click on it to save. You can delete your watch list by selecting the Delete button. Select the watch list you want to delete and click OK and confirm to save. Click on any share to get access to company overview page. Get access to the entire data related to the company here. You can even buy or sell from this page. Once you click on Buy or Sell, this trade window would pop up. Enter the quantity, exchange, price and other details and click on Place Order and confirm to put your trade. After placing the order, you can see and cancel the order from Order Book, which is in the bottom menu bar. Get access to our research under the Research menu bar. Click on ABML Research to get access to intraday, BTST, fundamental, technical and option portfolio research data. You can also directly buy or sell from here. Robo Research under the Research menu is an extensive research option available for investors seeking wide research tools and techniques. CBR under the Research menu is a consolidated research from all the top broking houses and analysts. Get a 360-degree view for your preferred stock. A screener is a filtering tool to analyze stocks universe in a customized manner. Get income, quality, value and growth screeners under the Research menu. Expand any screener to see the detailed research. You can trade directly from here by clicking on the Buy or Sell button. Explore thematic investment under the Research menu bar. View and explore different themes. Expand any theme to see the detailed thematic research. You can directly trade this scheme from here by selecting Add to Basket, then enter the quantity and submit. Get access to various reports from the Report menu bar tab. See your holdings, order or trade book, capital gain reports and much more from this section. Read all news from the News menu bar related to equities and other markets. Get all market info under this tab. Under Equity, the Overview tab would lead you to all the latest corporate actions and news along with the screeners where you can trade your orders directly. Under Equity, Calendar will lead you to all the results declared by the companies along with other corporate actions. Under Derivatives, the Overview tab will lead you to a brief view of the strategy and news. Screeners here allow you to trade directly. Under Derivatives, Option Chain will display a watch list of different options enabling you to strategize and trade efficiently. Option Strategies is an extensive research particularly made for traders who trade in options. Under Derivatives, Future Rollover gives all the details required for any rollover trade. Under Currency, the Overview tab would give a holistic information regarding the global currency markets. This was a brief video explaining few of the important features of AB Trade. There are many other features which you can look and explore. Thank you and happy trading.